Hey guys, welcome back. This session, let's see using the Selenium. Previously, we have created a sample feature file and added step steps for that. Okay, and connecting the browser and all. So let's integrate with Selenium. Let's go to. Previously, we have opened PHP tools homepage. So we have this page opened, which is a web application. So similarly, we are going to use with the Selenium. And let me inspect this element. So I have, for example, this is the title. So you click here on the element where you want to find. So here is a PHP travels, which is the title. Similarly, I want to find with the demo. We go to demo. It says like the demo header reference. You can take this header reference and name, and you can give the URL which is connecting like PHP travels on demo. This one you can give, and these are some of the ones you can find out there. Similarly, if you see any pop-ups, you can have those element IDs also. So right now, let me go here. I have created a small driver connection class where I have given the PHP URL, which is that demo, and I got some pop-ups which is I have already identified the elements to save my time, and page title and pricing tab. The pricing tab is also here. You can see the pricing tab. So click on pricing. So you have the pricing tab with the header reference. Okay, so let's go here. Create a sample page. Let's create a home page. Home page. Okay. Don't need requirement. It's fine. All right. I have already created the driver connections. So extends you can import that driver connection. Let's take the exact name so that all right. So we have imported the driver connection. Okay. Now what we have to do, the basic steps, just this is the implementation part. We have to open the browser and open the travels and click on the links or menus on the home page and verify. So let's create some pseudocode, for example. So you need to launch browser, right? So for example, you need to launch the browser. Second, you need to launch the browser, and next you have to open a PHP homepage. Next, some pop-ups or hover on any pages. Hold on. So I know there is a pop-up button. Close pop-up buttons. Okay. So like this, we have some methods we can go into write those. Okay. Let me go and create. You have already. So when we load the web driver, right, I want to wait for some time. We have a web driver, wait and wait for some time. So this is to wait for to load the initial. It will take some time, right? So I have a web driver wait, and I want to have like some basic string URL, otherwise anything, that's up to you. So let me create some method. Click void browser. So yes, I'm getting some messages between. So here you have to launch the browser. So when you are trying to launch the browser, so you have to have the operation, this operation main page. You are having the launch browser function. So we have already a driver which is given in the in connections page. So let's create the driver dot. We have a string where it takes the URL. So we have a PHP URL where this is the URL. We have taken that element ID. So once we have the URL, we can maintain driver dot. We have a method called manage dot timeouts. And I want to load the page on a specific timing. We can use page load timeout. We can give some time, at least 100 seconds, where it will take time unit dot seconds. Alright, so we have initial page load set up with the time, and I have created a title. So let's verify the title first. So driver dot get title. So we have a predefined functionality, so it is easy for us, guys. So driver dot get title, which returns the string. So let me put string page title equal to driver dot get title. So I'm going to use this page title somewhere. Okay. Let me create a text method to pass this page title. So let me create a method set text. So in the set text, what you have to write, you have the page title, which is taken as a string. So you can put assert dot assert equals assert equals. Here is an expected. I'm expecting the assert text. Page title and actually it should be code. You can see here this is the actual and this is the expected. So I'm comparing with both. Assert equals, okay, you don't have to put this one, you can put JUnit so that it's not deprecated one. Alright guys, so I have a text open. Now go to this PHP Travels homepage. Now go to the step devs. In step devs, basically you are going to create a system properties where in order to load system dot, we have a function called set property, which is the key value pair. So key is the I have a key driver dot chrome dot driver, and the value is where my Chrome driver is located. So I have already my Chrome driver located in the downloads. So I will give the same path. So you can give the same. So that is the users slash documents slash Chrome driver. So for the Mac, I was giving this location because if you see here, let's go to the documents folder. You have the Chrome driver, so I'm giving the same location, right? So it looks for the key and matches the value. In the same way, I want to initialize the page where you have written PHP Travels homepage. I want to initialize this. Let initialize this page PHP continue. It is not, we don't need this one. Let's import this page. Okay. Now to and we have a launch browser. So what it will do? It will take the URL and wait for some time and sets the home page title whether we are in the same page or not. All right. Yes. Let's run this test and see. Unless you can run as anything JUnit or you can configuration. Oh, we have new configuration. Let's see what it is. Okay, this is different. Run as PHP Travels feature. We are seeing some null pointer exception. Launch browser. Open the browser. 24. Okay. So let me share. Let's create a sample test and see whether why we are not able to get. Let me test this one. System property. I have copied here. Sample test I have given here. I can give this. Let's check whether it is working or not. Import. You can import application. It should open the PHP Travels homepage. Okay. Okay. Sorry, yes, I missed something. As Java application. So it is trying to open the PHP Travels homepage, and we see that here there is a pop-up is coming. So there are two pop-ups. Let's inspect this pop-up and see what exactly it is. We need to close this pop-up as well. One signal pop over container. So we can add this one in the same way. We have to close this functionality. So what it says, I closed it. It's okay. So let me go here, and I have the driver connections anyway. So all those pop-up, one signal pop-up, MS close model, everything you are able to see now. And we run the simple WebDriver connection and able to see that one. Now, if we need to run this feature test using the sample, where is that we have written run test runner. This is the one. So when we run this, one has configuration, Kimber feature. Let me delete this one. I don't want. Okay, so here we have opened the data, but something we are missing. Data with extra comma. Let me see what exactly it is. We have it will clearly says what it is missing, guys. So we can look at the 200 PHP travels on page, and only local connections are allowed. Miscellaneous code. Okay, let me see. So it is trying to open the browser and able to see that. Okay, so let me go here. It is our page. Let me add some steps. Let's see. Notifications. Okay, where is our step defs? Here is the culprit. So PHP travels homepage dot. I want to open the PHP homepage so that you can see. Now let's see. Let's test. Okay, guys. So we are able to see that page is loaded. First, initially open the browser, and then we have opened the PHP demo page. Like that, we have 5 scenarios. I mean 5 test cases that assertions we can put. Let's see. Let me close this all. So it's better to close your. We can write a tear down method so that whenever it is trying to open, it will create multiple chromes in your machine. So instead of manually quitting all those symbols, it's better to write a functionality like a quit driver.quit using the tear down method. Okay, let me add a couple of functionalities so that we can close the pop-up also. Go here and in the step devs, the page, where is the page? Here is the page, and I have written some code here to write some. Okay, here is the functionality. I have written something, so we can use this one. You can implement. We have an expected condition, which is the pop-up window to close to with the visibility of elements by ID. So we have already written those. Now let's use this method also. Sample test PHP step steps. On the page, I want to close the PHP travels homepage dot. close notification pop-up one, and I want to close that page as well. Dot. What is this method we have written? Yeah, same one. That's it. Only one method. Nothing is that. Alright, guys. So we have a sample feature file where you can implement those Chrome driver and these functionalities. We have two functions. One is open and another is close the pop-up notification. And if you go here, pop-up notification, we have written the set text with the title page to validate and to close the first pop-up. And we are going to click by finding that element and then click that pop-up. So in the same way, like another pop-up, we want to close that, which is made by name. So here I have given the either class model. Now let's run and see. So you can have this simple has one configuration. You can run the JNet, but it is not JNet. PHP Cucumber feature. So it will open here. So you will see the note. I want to wait. The pop-up is closed, and one more. It is going to close. Okay, I'm going to stop this one. So anyway, it's the same. Just to say that it's opened and you are going to have those. Have fun, guys. Thanks.